Yeah, it's on.
My name is Lola. I came all the way from Nigeria to Raipur in India for my IVF treatment. Coming to India was not such an easy decision to make because there's so many hospitals, so you have to narrow it down to one that you think would give you the best treatment. So, when I actually sent my emails out, and then they replied me, and I spoke to the doctor, and she was very. I need to do it. Should I start again? Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. So I spoke to my doctor, Dr. Niraj, about the procedure and what she would be doing when I come over. She explained to me, and then she sent me an email. I was quite confident because she was soft-spoken and told me exactly what I need to do. She sent me to do some few tests, and I sent her back the reply, and then she put me on a course of treatment while I was in Nigeria. I was still quite. So I spoke to a doctor friend about coming to India, and and she said, "Oh, you've got to be careful because there's lots of hospitals. You've got to be sure you're going to the right place." And I said, "I've got a instinct. This is the right place for me because I've spoken to the doctor already, and I prayed about it, and that's how the journey began to India." On arriving at India as well, it's quite daunting when you come for treatment and you want to make sure you're actually at the right place. When I met her the first time I actually met her, she was breathtaking. She was fantastic. She took my husband and I and explained what the procedure to us, exactly what we're going to be doing, how many days it was going to take, and we started the procedure. The hospital in itself was quite comfortable as well. We are in Raipur in India. It's not exactly a metro city, but what we got was like being in a metro city in the UK. So it was clean, good standard. The nurses were fantastic. Everyone was nice, and it just makes you feel comfortable when you have people like that around you. Sorry. When you have people like that around you, it makes you feel more comfortable about your treatment. This is very sensitive because IVF is not something you want to mess around with or joke around with. So having comfortable people makes everything easier for you. And I've just finished my treatment, and I'm going back tomorrow morning. And